welcome back to my channel. If you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a bob wig install, girl. So if you want to see how I slayed this Bobbiana wig, stay tuned, and always don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now on to the video. Hey y'all, so we about to get started and install this wig. I got this wig from Amazon Prime. This is the name of the company. I never really heard from them before, but I wanted to take a chance. It's called UC Vic hair, I'm assuming. But I seen this girl promote it on TikTok and the wig looked good, so I was like, let me buy it and we wanna see how it is. So I got a 12-inch bob. This is a 13x4 lace. I already bleached the knots and I went in and dyed the hair jet black, and I also flat ironed it a little bit just to put a little bit of bump into it for right now. So yeah, we about to go ahead and install her, girl. And I'm not gonna glue it down. Yeah, so we're about to go ahead and install her. And I kind of like over bleached my knots a little bit, but that's okay. I wanted to make sure it took. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on. I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses. I like to put this on the cap. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. This is, what is this? RDF 12, level 12. So I'm going in with this shade. Okay, now let's see how this is going to fit. Okay, it's fitting real snug. So I can really see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Ebon lace spray. This is the extreme firm hold. Now I'm gonna blow dry on low. Okay, let's see what this lace looking like. Okay. like reapply it and bring it a little bit more, because I don't like my wigs too far back. I like them to sit like right here. You know, just trial and error. If it doesn't look right, good thing we didn't glue it down, and it still was a little tacky, so I was able to lift it up and reapply it where I wanted it at. So now we can move on. Okay, don't mind this extra lace on the side. I like to keep that a little bit on the side, so when I reapply the wig a second time, you know, then I cut more within the next install. So I'm gonna go back in with my Ruby Kisses and just put that on the lace to like blend that in. This is my Erica J Slick Stick, but the paper came off, so yeah. Okay, so now that I got the wig like super flat how I want it, it's time to cut it, because yeah, I want something a little bit shorter. So let's cut this. Because yeah, I'm going for like the 10-inch look, so I want her to be at least like right here. So I gotta get my little mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. I wish I had some clippers, but I don't, so we're about to use our scissors. Okay, it was kind of hard for me to see on this side, but they're like the same one. Okay, so I'm about to just run the flat iron through the hair again. So this is the final look, a quick and easy, simple little Babiana look. If y'all notice, I was having a hard time trying to cut this side because like I can't really see, and I'm trying to look in the screen and it wasn't the, but we did what we did and it looks so good, and I'm surprised that it's like I was able to get it around the same length. Yay me. So yeah girl, go on Amazon and get you a little ball wig for under $70. No, that's not sponsored. Once again, this is just me letting y'all know like, yeah, this wig was official. Yeah, the lace on here is amazing. It looks good. So that's the end of this video, girl. So if you made it to the end of this video, as always, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments of what you think about this video, how I installed it. Girl, let me know. Let's chit chat. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Outie.